Today let's have a look at this very nice 1968 Royal Enfield MK1A. Well, welcome to Bader International and Bader Classic Auctions. Very happy to offer up this very nice motorcycle. As you can see, it's not complete. It's missing the seat and the gas tank and maybe a few other items, but it's in very nice condition. I believe this to be the Interceptor. I'm not a, what can I say, an authority on the Royal Enfields. But this motorcycle, along with many others, are selling as we speak over the auction block at BaderClassicAuctions.com. This motorcycle, along with many others, is selling at no reserve. We also have tons and tons of motorcycle parts and memorabilia, all selling at no reserve. So again, go to the website, sign up, register. It's free, it's easy. And this certain bike is lot number M117. So check it out at BaderClassicAuctions.com.